Are you looking for a great shampoo for damaged hair? I was. My hair is super coarse, super kinky, going gray, and I color it. I used heat treatments on it a lot, so I don't know what else I could do to damage my hair. And I've even used color remover on it. I needed something that worked, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money on it. I found this at Walmart, and it was not very expensive at all, and I've been using it for probably over a month now, and I'm super, super pleased with the results. While I could use a haircut, a professional haircut, I haven't had one in probably about 3 or 4 years. My hair is super, super damaged. I have colored it. I've taken the color out. I've colored it again. I've taken the color out again. And the L'Oreal Elvive products have completely renovated my hair. Completely. I'm so pleased with them. Let me show you some of my experiment with those. The L'Oreal Elvive Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo is supposed to solve 5 problems with one solution. I actually bought this in April and haven't used it yet, but it's supposed to give you strong, silky, shiny, healthy hair. I got the large container because it was the better buy. The Total Repair 5 system is supposed to solve 5 problems that a lot of people have with their hair, and that split ends, having weak hair, rough hair, having dull hair, and having dehydrated hair. I must say that my hair suffers from all 5 of these. The directions say just to use the Total Repair 5 System shampoo, massage on wet hair as normal, lather, rinse, and follow with a conditioner, which I do have the Total Repair 5 Conditioning Balm. There's the ingredient list, just in case you see something in there that you're opposed to using or allergic to using. There's the information from L'Oreal with their phone number and their web address. I have been using the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Nourishing Shampoo, which I'm very, very happy with, and used the light conditioner with that, which greatly improved the condition of my hair. When the conditioner ran out, I got the Elvive Balm, which I also liked, but I ran out of this shampoo, and so I was having to use a different shampoo with this conditioner, and I could definitely tell a difference with the other shampoo. So I saw this, which was supposed to be a match for this, and I'm assuming it's going to give me more repair than this. So I'm looking forward to using these 2 products together. I have videos up about the conditioner and shampoo for the Extraordinary Oil, and I think I also have a video up for the Total Repair Balm by itself. This is my hair with the other shampoo and using the L'Oreal Balm. You can see that it's very frizzy. It's not that dry on the ends, but it's just not very manageable. And I'm hoping that when I get back to the L'Oreal products together, that's going to improve. This is what 1 squirt of the shampoo looks like. It isn't very thick. I'm loving that it has a pump on there because that just makes it so much easier in the shower when trying to wash my hair. It smells just like the other L'Oreal products from this line. Really, really, really good. I like the way they smell. This is after the first wash, and I just blow dried it with this blow dryer, and it already feels softer. It seems more manageable. I haven't styled it yet at all. I've just blow dried it with that blow dryer, which doesn't get it flat. It's still really frizzy on the sides. And one of my major problems is just these little flyaway hairs at the top that most shampoos, I don't know what they do. It's like they excite like all the new hairs and just make them go ping at the top and gives me this like hawk type appearance or rooster thing going on up there. So I'm seeing some of it, but I haven't even styled my hair yet. I've just mostly dried it, and it just seems to be flatter. So I'm thinking the shampoo, I'm thinking using the L'Oreal shampoo with the L'Oreal conditioner really is a magic combo that's that my hair likes. So I'm going to style it with additional blow dryer and see what the difference is. I just did a little bit more drying with this tool, and it doesn't get the hairs completely flat, so I still have the little things up at the top that I'll have to put some product on. It does feel softer. It does seem like it's going to be easier to manage. It's not just like flipping out here at the ends where I've got split ends and whatnot. So after the first use with the LOreal Elvive shampoo, I'm happier than I was with the previous shampoo, which was a gliss. I have a video up about that one as well. So I'll report back after a few more uses. I'm not going to use a flat iron on it because I'm not really going anywhere other than just hanging out with my family for the rest of the evening, and I'll try to limit the damage that I have to do to my hair. I did put 7 drops of this on there and just kind of worked it through the ends of my hair, and I'm pretty happy. It's not perfectly straight or styled, but you know, it's okay for hanging out around the house. I just washed my hair for the second time using the LOreal Elvive Total Repair 5 shampoo and the Elvive Total Repair 5 balm. I'm very happy with the way that my hair blow dried. It was easy to blow dry today. It was very easy to style. It doesn't feel like it's got any residue on it. I didn't have to put any product on it. I didn't have to put like any of the Elvive or the LOreal oil on it. So I'm really happy. Really happy. I'm very happy with this product. This is after, I believe, the 3rd use with the LOreal Elvive Total Repair 5 shampoo and the Total Repair 5 balm. And my hair was super easy to blow dry again. Super easy to manage. I just used the handheld blow dryer and the little styling wand. I have not put any other product on it. I have not flat ironed it because I'm going to bed and I'll fix it tomorrow. But yeah, I'm very happy with this product. Sorry about no makeup on. I got sunburned today from working out in the yard. Yeah, this is how I go to bed at night. This is after washing it with the Elvive shampoo, and then I put about 7 drops of this styling oil or conditioning oil in it, and I used a very hot curling iron on it this morning. I'm still happy with it. These curls will settle down hopefully a little bit before we go out for Mother's Day, but it was so easy to style with only 7 drops of the Elvive in there. So I'm still happy with the shampoo, conditioner, and the oil product. I'm going to use it for probably a couple more weeks and then report back at the end and not show you like what it looks like after every single shampoo because it's kind of pointless. Okay, this is pretty amazing. I used the LOreal Elvive shampoo and didn't put any conditioner on it. I wanted to strip my hair of all product and didn't put any conditioner on it, just rinsed the vinegar out. And it was still so manageable. It was so easy to blow dry, it was easy to detangle, so I can attribute that only to the shampoo. So I'm going to flat iron it, but it looks pretty good without any conditioner on it at all. And all the product stripped from the vinegar. It smells bad though. This is after washing with the LOreal Elvive 5, and I did flat iron it, and yes, I need to touch up my roots. And I do have flyaways, but this is a pretty good testament of using just the shampoo and no conditioner. I put vinegar on it after I washed it to strip all the product off of it. So I can attribute everything to the shampoo, which is pretty good. I use heat treatment on my hair. I blow dry it, and then I use a styling hot brush, and I also use a flat iron on my hair. And this product has truly helped improve the condition of my hair a lot. I had been using the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil shampoo with that type of conditioner, and then I moved up to the Elvive balm, and then I decided to move up to the Total Repair 5 shampoo because these are supposed to be a little bit more nourishing for damaged hair. My hair is super damaged, and so I'm very pleased with these. The Extraordinary Oil was great, but these are just excellent products together. Thanks for watching my video review of the L'Oreal Elvive Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, share the video if appropriate, and until next time, clean, healthy hair is beautiful. Bye.